Hello, my dear friends. I heartily welcome you all in my channel Oxy MBBS. Friends, today's we have a very beautiful MCQ, and this is breast milk output is maximum per day during at what lactational age? Here options we have 1 to 2 months of the lactational age, 3 to 4 months, 5 to 6 months, and 7 to 8 months. Now for answering this question, now here we have a very nice picture. So here in this chart it is given that breast milk output per day during the lactational age. So up to 2 months of the lactational age, the output is 530 ml, and this 530 ml is from both the breast. Okay, so from both the breast output is 530 ml. It means at around half liter. So half liter milk is produced up to 2 months of the age. Half liter milk is produced from both the breast, and then it increases up to 6 months of the age, and up to 6 months of the age the breast milk output is 730 ml per day, and now it decreases and its output becomes around 345 ml or 300 ml at what lactational age? At 3 years of age. So 37 to 38 weeks means 37 to 38 months means at around 3 years of the age. At around 3 years of the age, the output is around 300 ml. So at up to 2 months of the lactational age, breast milk output is half liter, around 500 ml, my dear friends, and then it rises and it is around 730 ml per day at 6 months of the lactational age, and then it decreases, and it is now at around 300 ml at 3 years of age. Now, my dear friends, how will you remember that the breast milk output is maximum at around 5 to 6 months of the lactational age? It is very simple, my dear friends. Up to 6 months of the age, the baby is not having teeth, and the baby jaw is not hard to digest or to crush some semi-solid food. But after 6 months of the age, the baby is now having teeth, and the jaw becomes hard because teeth are erupting. So now the baby can take food from the outside. So now there is no need to produce extra milk. Now we can give the baby food from the outside. So in this way you can remember that the breast milk output is maximum at 6 months of age, because after 6 months there is no need to give extra milk. So the milk start to reduce, milk production start to reduce after the 6 months. So this is very good thing to remember, that after 6 months the teeth arises and the baby is taking food from the outside. So there is no need to produce extra milk now, and now the milk production decreases. In this way you can remember that at 6 months of the age, lactational age, the breast milk production is maximum, and it is minimum at around 3 years of the age, and it is approximately 300 ml per day, and up to 2 months of the age, the breast milk production is at around half a liter. Okay, my dear friends, so here the answer is maximum milk production is at around 5 to 6 months of the lactational age.